Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 49.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, fury. Fury means wild anger. Its Hindi meaning is krodh. Now look at its sentence. Fury turned her face bright red. Its synonym is rage. Moving to our next word, haul. Friends, haul means to pull with a lot of effort. Its Hindi meaning is खींचते हुए लाना. Now look at its sentence. We used buckets to haul water up from the river. Its synonym is drag. The next word is bafflement. Bafflement means confusion. Its Hindi meaning is uljhan. Now look at its sentence. I saw the expression of bafflement on his face. Its synonym is puzzlement. The next word that I have for you is whizzing. Whizzing means move quickly through the air with a whistling or buzzing sound. Its Hindi meaning is sansanahat. Now its sentence, there was a tremendous whizzing noise. Its synonym is buzzing. The next word is crumpled. Crumpled means crushed. Now look at its sentence. She crumpled the piece of paper into the ball. Its synonym is collapse. The next word is tug. Friends, tug means to pull hard or suddenly. Its Hindi meaning is खींचना. Now look at its example. Donnie continued to tug and look up at his mother. Its synonym is twitch. The next word that I have for you is nap. Nap means short sleep. Its Hindi meaning is jhapki. Now look at its sentence. I want to take a nap. Its synonym is doze. Moving to our next word, jest. Jest means great enthusiasm. Its Hindi meaning is उत्साह या फिर जोश. Now look at its sentence. She joined in the games with jest. Its synonym is enthusiasm, or you can say zeal. The next word is clenched. Friends, clenched means closed together tightly. Its Hindi meaning is mutti bandhna. Now look at its sentence. He clenched his fist in anger. Its synonym is squeezed. Last but not least is rapt. Rapt means completely fascinated. Its Hindi meaning is mohit. Now look at its sentence. He watched her with a rapt expression. Its synonym is captivated. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of drag? A. Tug, B. Nap, C. Haul, D. Wrapped. Give me answer of this question in comment box.